Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Yashasvi Kannada Vani YouTube channel. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ YouTube channel ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. This is our 13th lesson. In our 12th lesson, we learned, we understood, I didn't understand. Are you understanding? So we learned these things. So are you comfortable now with this one? I have received few questions here, so I'm trying to combine the few more questions and I'll take it down in our next video. Okay na? I'll take all those questions in our next video. So ivattu this is our 13th lesson, which is very simple lesson. Most of you will be knowing this one. So this one I'll try to make it like a revision of a previous lesson and this lesson. So we'll try to combine. Okay na? So the word gottu. How many of you know it? Every one of you know the word gottu and gottilla. So because we are trying to say I don't know Kannada gottilla, right? Yes. So that is what we are going to learn today. The first word is gottu. So you have to stress slightly the third letter. Gottu is I know. Gottu means I know. Gottilla means I don't know. Gottilla is I don't know. Gottilla is I don't know. So do you know? Do you know this place? Gotta. Do you know is gotta. Don't you know? Gottilva. Don't you know is gottilva. So if you remember, this is what we learned in the last class, alva? Artha aitu, I understood. Artha aita, did you understand? Artha ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, not understanding. Artha ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ, are you not understanding? So this is what we learned in our previous class, alva? So if you have understood the previous one, so this one will also be easy. So now I don't take the random one, we'll take it with the example. So for the first one, I know, gottu. So most common, ನಂಗ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತು. ನಂಗ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತು. So I know Kannada, ನಂಗ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತು. So now you are saying, I know a little bit of a Kannada. So this one you already know it. ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತು. ನನಗೆ, so here in this place you will write ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. I can also repeat this word, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತು. I can also say barutte, but I'm not going to take that one here. Barutte means I know it, right? So that is also one of the way to say it, but I don't want it right now. So I'll stick on to this, okay? Nange ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ kannada gottu. This is one common, everyone you know. So the same thing, gottu nalli, we'll make it one more. So nange kannada gottu, right opposite of it, nange kannada gottilla. Right? Okay. So now I'll go for one more. ನಂಗೆ ಆ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತು. ನಂಗೆ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಐ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ನಂಗೆ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತು. ನಂಗೆ ಆ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತು. ನಂಗೆ ಆ ಜಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಐ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಜಾಗ. ಸೊ ನಂಗೆ ಆ ಜಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಸೇ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಐ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ನಂಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತು. ಅವ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತು. ಐ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ irrespective of a gender you can use that. So instead of saying I know him, I know her, I know them, so everything you can combine here. So illi instead of him, her or them, sorry for the background noise, ella seri I'll say in one thing. So it's a one respected word. I know her, ನಂಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತು. I know him, ನಂಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತು. I know them, ನಂಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ನೋ ಅರ್ಚನಾ, ನಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಚನಾ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಐ ನೋ ಸುನಿಲ್, ನಂಗೆ ಸುನಿಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಅವ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತು. So instead, if you are saying that, if the person is very close to you, if you want to use it in a singular, then instead of our, for him, it will be ನಂಗೆ ಅವನ್ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನಂಗೆ ಅವಳು ಗೊತ್ತು. ಓ, ಅವಳು ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನಂಗೆ ಅವಳು ಗೊತ್ತು. I know her very well. So this is how you frame the sentence for the person. Okay, na? So now we learned 3 different set. Okay, the first one is nan Kannada gottu, nan a place gottu, I know that place. Nang avar gottu, I know them. Nang avan gottu, nang aval gottu, nang Archana gottu, nang Sunil gottu. See, so we try to manage it in a simple way. Okay, in this now same place of a gottu put gottilla. So nang Kannada gottilla, ನಂಗೆ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ನಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಚನಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಂಗೆ ಸುನಿಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಂಗೆ ಅವನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಂಗೆ ಅವಳು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಐ ಲರ್ನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಈಸಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Please make a note of it, and extra sentences I want from you all. Please do mention in the comment section. As I always say, make use of a comment section. Comment section is like a very good playground for every one of us where we can show our skill. Alva? So let us show our skill in framing the sentences in the comment section. Okay? So now we learned gottu and gottilla, which is the direct sentences. Now we are trying to work on the questioning part of it. So I'm asking the gotta. Okay, so let's work on that one. I'm going to erase this part. So here, you are saying the answer, so you are using the nang. This is the questioning part, so obviously it goes with the ninige or nimge. Okay, so here I'll go with the ninige. I'll erase this part. Do you know? Ninu gotta. Okay, I'm going to take with the singular first, then I'll meanwhile together simultaneously we'll take it with the plural version, the respected version as well. Okay, Ninu gotta. Do you know? Ninu gotta. Do you know that place? Ning a place gotta? Ning a place gotta? Do you know him? ನಿಂಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಐ ರೈಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Okay, so do you know Archana? Archana ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Sunil ಗೊತ್ತಾ? I don't know why I'm taking these two names. It just came to my mind. Okay, so this is how you frame the question. So illi it can be ning if you are using to your close person, if you are using to any stranger, anyone elderly person. So for the safer side, always use respected version, that is nimge. Okay na? Nimge is the word, but spoken version it will become nimg. Nimg gotta, ning gotta, g. The end it with a g sounding. Okay? So ivaga the questioning part of this, gotta, gottilva. Don't you know that place? Ninga place gottilva. So instead of gotta, you will put gottilva. Ninga place gottilva. Don't you know that place? Don't you know that person? Ninga person gottilva. Ninga aval gottilva. Okay na? So simple. So I have given you the gotta. The gottilva part you have to do it, so it won't be a much confusing for you. If I do it, it might become confusing. So time tagoli, practice at your pace, and please do give me the sentences. Comment sectionally do mention the sentences. This is our 13th lesson. Try to do the 13th lesson once again with the 12th lesson. Innondsala practice ಮಾಡಿ, practice that artha ಆಯಿತು, I understood, practice that with I know, so you feel it more familiar, more comfortable, more confident when you speak, when you converse in Kannada. So the ultimate ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಸಿ ಯು ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ 14th class. Please make sure that you practice. Do check out the description box where you have a playlist link of the previous spoken Kannada lessons with the grammar, and also you have an ebook link for spoken Kannada. There is an ebook. If you wish to purchase, you can check out the sample copy. If you are interested, you can even purchase the sample copy, the book of spoken Kannada. Share this with your friends. Let them also learn Kannada comfortably. Confident agiri. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ನರ್ವಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್. ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್, ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಸಮ್ಮನ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಫಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ಯು, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಸಿ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಇನ್ 14th ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.